decided to do something nice and dry this time because, well, last time it was a little bit of a wet old disaster, wasn't it? It's going to be marvellously interesting. Okay, that wasn't supposed to happen. We're not having a good time with it at the moment. On the basis that I'm going to hit my hand on that knobby bit sticking out, I'm going to put a glove on. Check to see how thick this is now. Oh, very thin is the answer to that. So the idea is to have a bottle coming out of the log, if you haven't worked that out already. Whether it lasts that long, who knows. So the one time I hollow it out too far, that's really annoying, isn't it? Let's see if we can get this out without destroying the damn thing. I've seen a couple of these pieces online where where it looks like the item is coming out of the log, and I really love it. So I'm going to sand this and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put some finish on. Right, that's the sanding done, down to all the way through the grits, all the way to 0000 wire wool. So it's time to put some sanding sealer on and just see how amazing this grain actually is, which I think it is. Oh, I nearly forgot to cover the lathe. Let's see. Oh yeah. The end of that is really thin. I'm normally a bit guilty of not making these things thin enough, in my opinion anyway. But for some reason I think the better you are, the thinner you can get these things. I don't know whether that's actually the case, or whether it is the better you are at actually realising where to stop. Maybe that's the trick. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you've ever done this. It is hollow all the way down to the knobby bit that's flying around at warp speed. There you go, what an amazing piece of wood is hiding inside that old log. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a happy Christmas, or a happy summer, or a happy winter, or wherever you happen to be and whenever you happen to be watching it. Who knows, it might be Easter or your birthday, or both. But anyway, if you're having a break, have a good one. See you in the next video.